So we've got a new radio for my car. It's just arrived. It's UHF and VHF. It's the 25 watt model, but you have got a feature for 5 and 15 watt. Let's have a look inside the box. So we've got the menu, the manual instructions. Lucky enough, we've got a data cable so we can program it. Let's have a quick look at the radio. I'm trying to do this with one hand as well because I'm using my mobile phone for. So this is the radio itself. Very nice, very small for the car. There's your speaker, your antenna and your power cable. And there's the speaker as well, what's already built into the radio. Let's have a look what else we've got. So we've got power cable. We have a nice microphone. Let's get out of the box. Oh. So a nice feature radio there with buttons, so you can program your frequency in just using the numbers. Oh, nice button. You've got your up and down on the side here, and what looks like a lock feature, even though it doesn't say lock on it. And let's have a look what else we've got in here. So we've got some fuses and some screws for the mount. I might be using that just to put on the dashboard so it doesn't move about. And yeah, we'll get the radio up and running, see how that goes.